All right, guys. Here's a valuation of Henry Drive. First of all, just real quick, it is a larger plot of land, but I think the real square footage is 1191, 3 bedroom, 1 bath. But it looks like they're advertising it as 1254. So I'm not sure if they added on square footage and they're advertising it as a second bathroom. So I'm not sure if it's permitted in regards to um, the property, but that will be an issue. They probably took a closet or a room, converted it to a bathroom, or took a larger bathroom and converted split it in half or something like that. So that's definitely something to note. So um, this property was purchased back 2 years ago for 343, but it looks like he's done a ton of upgrades throughout the property, which is good. So I haven't seen any comparables yet, but let's just kind of go through just these through some comparables. It is right outside of the flood zone. I did check, so because I know that this area is there's some flooding that goes on, but it is out of that flooding area, which is good. So it's right outside, probably 2 or 3 houses away, which is good news. So you don't have to pay for flood insurance. So okay, so with that out of the way, let's go look at some comparables. So homes that are being sold in this area. So let me. So I think this area is good. I don't think anything past this river is going to be comparable price wise. So some people may think that that's Cedar Hills, but it is not. But just due to the schools, schools here are Ridgewood. Schools here are Barnes. So let's see, square footage. Max, I would say 1600 is. And well, let's go. All right, that gives a good spread of smaller homes in the area. Okay. Just a general overview. Let's see, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1600 is 475. Let's look at this Pioneer Road, 1292 at 500,000. That's across the street. Okay, very similar. This one's sold at 500. Yeah, this one's a lot better than that other one, than Henry, and I think this is in a better location as well. Well done. Yeah, it seems just a little overpriced already at 500. But again, I haven't seen it, but from what I'm looking at, I mean, look at the amount of concrete that's here, the amount of land. This is nice. So this one is at 500, and it's sold for 500 as well. Okay, so that's just a quick peek of that one. Oh yeah, when did that sell? That sold July. Okay, that's quite nice. Let's go, but this is even a 1 bath, so it could be because of that 2 bathroom. So let's look at this one. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, same square footage. This one's pretty new, I think, 1961, but this one's all updated, I think. Oh yeah, it was really nice. Really nice. Yeah. That is probably not going to be close to what we're looking at. Let's look at this. Let's look at this one. It's probably a little bit better than this. Henry is. Um, so this one was at 445, went all the way to 475. Yeah. So this one, I would say it's kind of similar to this one. Well, then 420. This one was a funky layout as well. I think, and this one was 2-bedroom as well. So let's look at some pendings. Here's a smaller home on Downing. Let me look at this. So this is quite nice as well. This one was at 450 pending, but the original price was at 480. It didn't sell, and then they listed at 450. So could be less than 480. This is tough. Let's see, 509 Todd Street. Let's see how good Todd is. Yeah, this is quite nice too. Bedroom, bathroom. Yeah, this one's not as big, the lot size, so this one's at 509 for 4 days. Yeah, we're kind of in the middle. So yeah, 500, I'd maybe think it's fair. I'd probably tend to the lower end of the range, but let's just see what else they're up against. We can go to Adrian. We can get this for 500. We can get this for 425. This is pretty small, 1 bathroom. Yeah, so yeah, for 500, it's kind of right in the middle there. I honestly would put probably valuation at like 485, but the permits, got to double check, make sure that those permits were pulled. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with additional square footage. So just keep that in mind. In fact, if you guys are okay with this location, I would just take this down, this type of product, just because it's easy to maintain. I know that, it's super nice if you guys like this type of product, but again, there's no yard. The yard is quite small, but again, these types of products are good as well. So, cool. Let me know if you have any questions. I think the valuation's at like 485, 495, 500. It is pushing it, but if you guys like this kind of single level home with a lot, I think 500 is just fine. So, all right. Hopefully that helps.